Hello guys and welcome to my channel, myself Shupto, and today we will learn the Spanish alphabet. Firstly we will learn the vowels. There are 5 vowels in Spanish like A and A and E and O and U. So we learn the vowels. Now we start our lesson. On first one is A, and then is B, then C, then D, E, F, Now this is very hard in English speaker, but it sound like jota. And next one is H. Then is I in Spanish is A. Then is jota, and J in Spanish is jota. Then is K in Spanish is ja. Then L is L. Then M in Spanish is M. Then N is N. And this is new for the English speaker, and this alphabet name Ñ. And then is O, and English O and Spanish O sound similar. And P is P, and Q is Q, and R is R, and S is S, and T is T, and T is T, and U is O. It sound like O, and B is Ube, and W is V doble, and then is X is X, and Y is Y, and Z is Z. These 27 alphabet, and in Spanish there are also 3 alphabet that is used in sentences, and the first one is cha, and in double L is AJ, and double R is R. Before we finish our lesson, let's repeat it. First one is A, and second one is B, and C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and G, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V doble, X, Y, Z, and Cha, AJ, R. And thanks for watching my video. I hope you will all like my video. If you like, please give a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Adios.